All right, Topwater Tony, back at it again. Whew, I didn't feel like waking up this morning and driving to Columbus, but here we are. We're in Columbus, and we're at the toy barn, and it's always packed here when it's a nice day, and I can already see the tons of people and cars. So I'm doing this for you guys. So do me a favor, hit that like button, share button, hype button, and all that. Oh, and subscribe. So let's check out what's here in Columbus, Ohio at the toy barn. All right, let's go.
Yeah, in there. You're gonna park in the garage. Yeah, you know what's on there. Hold on.
Chaos. All right, there's so many people here. It's gonna be kind of tricky to get some clear shots of the cars. So we're just gonna get what we can, how we can.
Stand that, go right to it, and then you'll start getting emails. Oh, well, yes, stock clips. That's the last week.
Lots of Beamer boys. So far, one of my favorite ones of the show. I saw it here last year, and it's amazing. Well, oh, there's that shadow again. We'll just go down the road here since there's really nobody in the way, but I see some people coming and stopping. This orange is beautiful. McLaren. That sucker's bright. Tap that like button. We got cars everywhere. I don't know exactly where to start. I'm trying to look to see some of my favorite ones to pick out from more of the common cars.
Go to the wharf and where you went to the Publix and stuff like that.
There's a lowered R8 and another McLaren. Nobody's buying it. Let's see if we can get it. There's that orange again. I like that orange and black. Spin around, get that shadow out of the way. Boom. Right next to a GTR. Somebody's not happy. Oh, he didn't like the parking spot, huh? Lamborghini's low and wide. Here's a little sweetheart. Is this a Rambler or Plymouth or what? No emblem. I'm not sure what it is. I think the Beamers are taking over.
I've seen a lot of people do it on the Forbes. I need to get a car. I can put a car.
Send that photo. Yeah, that was crazy. You guys swap the wheels and I'll take them back. I only want to do it. Yeah, exactly.
Nice classic Mustang, probably about 64, 65. There's an engine you can actually work on. Get your head out of there. Excuse me, buddy. Here's a nice row of cars that aren't flooded by people. Oops, spoke too soon. And there he is again.
Derek, though.
Once it goes to the shop, it's fine.
course, we got some music. Darn it. Drop top vet. Looks like we got Camaro Row. How's it going? I need to get up front to see the Lamborghinis. Well, look here. Look who got up early in the morning.
Early in the morning, baby.
Same old, same old.
I knew you was gonna be here because slammed enough. You going to slammed enough, ain't you?
I think so. All right, let's get moving again. Okay.
Oh, doggy.
Okay. Try to stick his dog on me. Nice little world cars here with nobody around. Beautiful C8s. I spy with my wandering eye a Corvette with some big tires on the back. Uh-oh, I hear a drone overhead. And of course, everybody's gonna stop in front of the Corvette. Yeah, we got a shot. Should tint that windshield. Nice. Here comes a couple more. Another C8. And a GTR. Woo! Win this car. There he is. What's going on?
Got the Topwater Tony, yes sir.
Woo! And we're getting closer to the music. Like I said, right now, we're just going to get some slop. But at least you get to see what's here. Let's get a close-up of this. Have a cool wrap. Don't see too many of these. Classic Firebird, 70s model. Let's check out this interior. Oh, we got to keep talking over that music. I've seen it before, and it's definitely going to get the Tony Award. You know, I love my Regals, love my Grand Nationals, and this one's a race car. Let's give it some love. Roll bar, racing seats, racing shifter. We got all the electronics inside. We got the meats down there. Fuel cell in the back. Probably an air shifter. And the V6. This music is too loud. Turn that music off. YouTube don't like it.
Forces air comes through here.
All right.
We got cars coming through.
Did I mention?
We have a swivel, cars coming through.
Did I mention that Regal gets the Tony Award? Look at that, we got a clean shot of it.
Yeah, I got here.
Got a truck coming in, thumping. Detroit wheels on it, followed by a C7 Corvette. We're gonna try to get up there and get the Lambos. Porsche right now. Yeah.
Out here today.
What's up? I knew I'd find you up here. Where are you parking? What'd you bring?
Pulled up in a Maserati.
service truck.
Okay.
He's a toy barn vet.
Next slide over.
It's a toy barn vet.
You go over there. Good stop mobile tires.
Boom.
You know, some new business we out here just trying to do some promoting today.
Awesome.
You know, little local stuff going from here to Slamden up. We're gonna go over there.
Yep.
Cause it starts at 1, right?
Yep.
So I got about 6 tires to do for some people over there. So I'm gonna go over there and get it in, make a couple dollars.
You have any extra passes?
Extra passes? No, I'm gonna pay to get in, but it's gonna pay me back. They're gonna pay me, you know.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, I think it's $40 a head to get in.
Me and this guy, we got paid. We don't get money back.
Oh,
Yeah, we got to sneak in somehow.
hey,
We got to climb the fence. You boost me over and I'll pull you over.
Hey, they said I got $10 in my right pocket, $10 in my left pocket. What you got? Somebody else's pants on because we broke a shit.
that was up, man. But yeah, if you get a chance, I'm in the next lot. Did you go over there again?
Not yet.
I'm just grabbing some food and I'm gonna go back over there. I'm
Okay.
gonna chill for a minute.
All right.
See you, man.
I'll be over there. I'm going to do a loop and then get over there.
All right. 4S keep standing with the four-wheel steering.
What time you getting lunch?
Hey, as long as you get like in front of one of the most popular cars, all the videos you get in.
Woo! I like that wrap. Or paint, whichever it is. That's crazy.
That flop though is crazy.
What time are you leaving here? How early do you think we should get there?
It don't start till 1, does it?
Yeah, it's gonna be crowded as crap.
I don't know.
Worse than this.
I want to see some of the pullouts on here though.
Ah,
Now, there's some big mean ones. That Camaro, that orange Camaro with the Lambo doors, that motherfucker sounds nasty. That black ZR, that 427 black Corvette, man, that thing sounds nasty. You got that chop to them. Did you even go over here yet?
not yet.
There's a whole nother fucking car show over there. Oh yeah.
How come he's not here?
Z Killer should be here, man. There's a bunch of
Another Ferrari. This is a tough spot to get a clean shot of the cars, but look at that. I got one. Not the best. We're just gonna get some slop, get some best we can. Okay, it opened up for a second. Seen this one yesterday. We got away from the music a little bit, so everything should be okay. Hey, what's going on? I forgot that was your car.
Oh yeah. Dayton Cars and Coffee next weekend? You going to it?
Oh, heck yeah. It's like 10 minutes away from my house.
Okay, I ain't gonna do that today. Lucky you, man.
Yeah.
You have to drive an hour and 20 minutes to get there, and you're like 10 minutes away.
But it's worth it.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes. You'd be surprised how many Columbus guys allow that as a deterrent. They'd be like, wow, that's about an hour's drive. I'm like, man, it's worth it.
Yeah, hour's drive is hour and a half drive. It ain't nothing.
I know. Yeah. Yes.
That's easy drive.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Yes. And I know your camera's happy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. How about that?
I just wish there wasn't so many people.
Yeah, yes. But maybe let's see, continue, get them in there. I'll be watching you once you post it up.
Definitely. And make a comment.
Okay, I sure will. Have a good one.
You too. Classic red color on the. Love the Carmen Ghia.
You don't get to bring friends. Don't put it. Don't trust for them. And why would I want them? Because the drink is going to be dry.
Another classic Pontiac from the 70s. I think it's the 70s, 79, 80, 81, somewhere in there.
There he is.
Betty White. Right-hand drive, I'm not sure what it is. Same as this one here. I think this is a GTR. This could be a Sylvia, I'm not sure.
Toy Barn participants at the #1 car show in Ohio. There will be no leaving until 12. We apologize earlier. There's no leaving until 12 for everybody's safety parking. Shout out to the Sheriff's Department. Shout out to the City of Delwood Police Department for keeping us safe. And it's all about safety first.
Classic Cobra.
and Jetty Cafe. What up, Troy? I sell cards in the house. My man. What's up, Miss Donna? What's up? Hold on, Liz. Let me get y'all. Don't forget to find your favorite card.
A whole lot quieter in here. Bentley SUV. All right, let's see what's on the other side. Ooh. Thanks. A C8 with a roof scoop. It's the first time I've seen that. Huh. Looking more and more like a supercar.
There was actually two of them. Here's another one.
Start up board. I don't think it does that.
There's a movie coming out. It's in July. Carolina. There's a capital.
Lightning shifter.
What's out?
Era más bonito, Wiki Rojo era.
Beautiful T-type. I'm glad we don't have any music over here for YouTube to get mad at. What is this little guy? All right, are you guys still with me? Who's still here? Make a comment down below. What's your favorite vehicle you've seen so far? Go ahead, I'll wait. Nice. This is a crazy wrap. Very different. It's like you can't make these icons any bigger without it going over the car. Even got a little baby one down here. Crazy. I dig it. Sylvia, Sylvia. Caddy. Porsche. Found the classic truck on these big ass Detroit rims. Look at these back ones. Look how deep they are. Holy. All right. see you. Oh, we got a little flock of caddies over here. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Nice. How's it going? Pretty good. Is that yours? Well, they're both nice. Oh, really? Keep it in the family. Classic iron. Woo! They had me scared there for a minute. I was ready to take cover.
Oh, no. It's been not running for a while. It had some water leaking, and I wasn't expecting that.
Uh-oh. I love these front ends. They're rolling out.
One more time, shout out to all the kids out here for coming out to the #1 car show in Ohio. Toy Cars, kids, make sure you thank your parents. Who knows the future? Don't miss out on our next car show. We'll see y'all in the fall. It's official. The September car show is on the calendar. Mark your calendars, September. We'll let you know. Follow us on social media at
We love power. The rims, I'll be rocking them beats. With the platinum rims, I'll be rocking them beats. Here we go, set up the video, y'all get hit with the boom. Beat so big, I'm stepping on it, we go, y'all get hit with the boom.
Mr. Cackle. All right, see you next week. The party's over. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. This is going to be a wrap. Hell of a turnout here at the Toy Barn Car Show in Columbus, Ohio. So I think I'm going to ease on down the road and go to Slammed Enough, I guess, which should be super crowded as well. But I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hype it up and share the video. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. I'm gone.